Hi, welcome dear student to second video of chapter 4. Today I am going to explain about mail merge wizard and step 1 of 6. Previous class I explained about the mail merge files, main document and data source. So now going to explain the mail merge wizard. So mail merge wizard involves creating and editing the main document, creating a new file, opening an existing data file and merging the file with the main document. Already I discussed the point how to open the mail merge, go to the mail merge, mailing menu, then start mail merge, then step by step mail merge wizard. So go to the mailing tab first, start mail merge group, then click on the start mail merge drop down, then select step by step mail merge wizard. This is the last option. Here you can see the image. Okay. So the mail merge wizard start and mail merge task pane appears on the right side of the wizard window. Okay, so first of all go to the step 1 of select document type. Here you can see in this image select document type. Here you can select the document type, various options. Here you can see the letters, email. So first option is the letters. So make letters that can be customized. And using this, make letters that can be customized. Okay, can be changed. And another one is the email message. Email message use Microsoft Outlook to send individual messages. Individual messages you can use this Outlook setup. Here you can see the Outlook setup. Start using this tool, Microsoft Outlook, to send individual messages. Third option is here envelope. Now you can check the envelope options. So envelope allow you to create the envelope. Here you can see the options, envelope option, envelope size. You can select font. Here you can select font left. Okay, from left side auto you can select font, return address you can just select, and you can see also the preview of here. Okay, so now you are able to set the envelope, and use my you can print directly on envelope. That's true. If you have a printer installed in your system, so you can simply print directly on the envelopes. And another options here is the labels. Using this you can create personalized mailing labels for each recipient. That's true. You can also, so this helps you to, these options helps you to create personalized mailing labels for each recipient. For example, I'm going to show you the envelope. Here you can see the envelope, and you can set the size here, different options, envelope size, envelope size can opt, delivery address, set the font, return address. You can set this easily in the envelope. Okay. And you can also see the preview of the envelope. So next one is you can design directory about the information of the people. You can create using this one in the MS Excel. You can create the directory structure. You can design directory about the information of the people. You can just write down the title, name, first name, last name, address, phone number, email, organization, etc. And you can store this one in the Excel file. So now this is the screenshot of Outlook. So you can set up the Outlook. This is the email message. Here you can just, for the second options, Outlook is the second option you can use. And now go to the email here, send email message to a group of people. You can personalize the email message that each person receives. Okay. And next one, you already explained about the envelope options. You can set the envelope size, different size, and you can also see the preview. I hope you understood the different document types, select document types option in the mail merge. Thanks for watching the video.